is H Greay. We're at Crossgates. What's that sound? Is that a train? Yes,
it is. H looking all gangster dressed in black. Very random little station. Where are we going, dude? Into Leeds. What for? Shopping. And maybe see some trains.
And also, at half of the video we have a surprise for you.
Got a surprise apparently. Wow. H, what is it?
Ancient.
Is it amazing?
Yeah, amazing.
Amazing.
Ancient and amazing.
It's amazing.
Currently, this train is called Swallow. I think that's what it's called. These do look really cool. These are fun. LNER. That's cool.
East Dartford, Middlefield, South Milford, Sandy, Howden, Brough and Hull. This train has 2 carriages. Platform 4.
Class 91, because I always call them intercities because I didn't know which class they were. Look good though, don't they, mate?
Yeah, last night my dad told me a question.
I asked you a question.
What are these trains called? So I said a class 91 and my dad was like, how did you know that?
That's it, make me look dumb, mate. Cheers, pal. I didn't know that, to be fair. That's why last video I called them a intercity. H just wants a quick picture in here. Oh, I shouldn't swear. That scared me a little bit, didn't you? Blackpool train coming in. Stop there, Harry.
So graceful.
They look good, don't they? Quick view out of Leeds station. The nice bit of Leeds city centre.
This is like the Grand Staircase shop.
It's a corn exchange in Leeds. It's a pretty impressive building, to be fair. I'm sure the wife can spend some money in here while we're here. And upstairs as well. Just missed a freight train going through. This is sad. Leeds station is just chaotic. There's H Greay, look. Talking away on his phone. I'll get that video later. random view to see a train leaving. Couple of trains. Oh my god, my zoom control's poor. Looking good.
Class 150 coming in. It looks like it just got on from the yard.
Quick aeroplane flying over.
The train at platform 6 is the 1305 LNER Azuma, service to London King's Cross. Calling at Wakefield Westgate, Doncaster, Newark Northgate, Grantham, Peter.
A lot of squeaky brakes today, isn't there?
Yeah, brakes indeed. If I owned a train, I would not let it rust. Guys, this train's currently stopping for 50 minutes.
You can hardly see it, it's going to come out. Oh, look at that, it's emerging from the shadows. That was a good shot, that was.
I just love the huge road.
Loud though, aren't they?
Oh, I thought they were going to come all the way down here.
That's a big platform for. The red flag is at the end of the line. Presentation in progress, do not dispatch. Oh, no idea what that means.
Get there to take a pickie.
Look at this, H the Great, the little train driver.
So today has been a really busy day. We've been watching trains and
Where?
we've been in a cab of 225 and like and subscribe. This is our way home in this train. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.
Leeds station. Far too much. Going to Penzance, that's the right trip. This train has been doing that ages.
It's just a leak from
I don't know if you can see the smoke on that top there. It's going through. Wonderful views of brickwork.
I think he's slowed down for us to see.
Come up to a bit of a train yard here. Oh, what's that there? Oh, that's those two intercities. Ah, it's just behind that train. They were the memorial ones. Azuma parks up, blocking our views to everything.
Oh!
H the awesome, kicking his brother out of the way because I want to see. What can you see? Azuma. And earlier, there was an intercity in there. Oh, there still is an intercity in there.